Hey Landon, you want to know why a nose can't be 12 inches long?
Why?
Because then it would be a foot.
I have a better one. What do you call a fish wearing a bow tie?
What?
Sophisticated.
It's the Blondes episode.
Coming up in today's Panther Beat.
Tabletop Club is on a roll.
Your Panther Beat starts now. Hey, O'Fallon, I'm Landon.
And I'm Carson, and this is your Panther Beat for Tuesday, October 17th.
It's time to get your photo taken for the yearbook.
You will have your photographs taken during advisory this week. Check with your advisory teacher for your scheduled day.
Running Start students can stop by the Panther Center any day between 9:30 a.m. and 1:30 p.m.
MLK Legacy Club invites you to game night this Thursday, October 19th. Pop out to the IMC to enjoy games that celebrate African American culture. The event is free and open to everyone.
Now, it's passed over to Ian with your Panther Sports.
Hey O'Fallon, I'm Ian with your Panther Sports. Are you interested in playing boys tennis this spring? All interested players should plan on attending an informational meeting Wednesday, November 1st after school in Smiley Room 202. We will be discussing a number of important items relating to the upcoming spring tennis season and off-season workouts. Freshmen should ride the activity bus over to the Smiley campus. If you cannot attend, please reach out to Coach Menerick. Girls volleyball went 4-1, placing third in their tournament last weekend. Football defeated Alton 23-0. The boys traveled to Cahokia for a do-or-die game against the Comanches. In today's sporting events, girls volleyball takes on Collinsville in the Dome, and boys soccer start their regional tournament against Granite City at West. Good luck to all our sports teams. Now over to the birthdays.
Hi, O'Fallon. I'm Sophia with the birthdays. Birthdays for Monday, October 16th were Kristen Chappell, Ava Coleman, Madison Lay, and Jason Turner, and a special happy birthday for Coach Lyons. Happy birthday for today goes to Daniel Natali, James Nicholson, Autumn Scruggs, Jody Tran, and Jacob Walker, and a special happy birthday to Mrs. Lara and Mr. Schwartz. That's all for me. Now back to the news desk.
And now for your club news. Tabletop Club explores fantasy worlds.
Jackson and Chase, explain.
Tabletop Club is rolling in. Here's a word from the sponsor, Mr. Timpson.
So Tabletop Club is a place where students and staff alike can come together and remember the days where they played pretend and goofed off with their friends and got into shenanigans that probably wouldn't be okay today.
Now we get a student's perspective about the best parts about Tabletop Club.
Best part's gotta be like meeting new people, all these new experiences, and it's quite fun. I've enjoyed it so far.
Come by every Tuesday and Thursday to the Smiley Cafeteria to join in on the fun.
Tabletop Club meets every Tuesday and Thursday in the Smiley Cafeteria. This Wednesday is the last day to join FBLA. No memberships will be accepted after October 18th. Use the QR code to fill out membership forms. Dues and forms can be turned into Mrs. Heisler and Mrs. Hercules at Smiley or Mr. Eddy at Milburn.
MLK Legacy Club meets tomorrow after school in Miss Hubler's room 412.
Are you a good debater? Are you interested in the inner workings of the legal system? Or do you just really like to argue with people? Head down to room 411 this Thursday after school. To join the mock trial team, contact Mrs. Mueller or Dr. DeMaria with any questions. That's it for today, O'Fallon. Tomorrow is a half day. Milburn is out at 11:30 and Smiley is out at noon.
For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head to our YouTube channel. See you later, O-Town.